Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is an unusual name tag, name badge, and I thought I'd throw it out there and show you how to do something. I'm not going to show you how to design this, but to take names from a customer, um, the best way I do it, especially in a situation like this where it's got some very unusual names, I'm going to just highlight them all. I'm going to right click my mouse and I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to go into Corel Draw and I'm going to right click my mouse and I'm going to paste them in. It put them right in the center of the page. We can move them around wherever we want them. Then we're going to zoom in on them, and that way your spelling's correct, and if something's wrong, it's the customer's fault. Then click on it, go to text, go to convert to artistic text, and now they are individual texts that you can adjust. The customer wanted lemon milk. No, they wanted this one. Now you can go to Control K and break those names apart. So then we've got our name badge here, and this is what this video is really about. I'm fixing to go out in the shop and run these for myself, for a customer. I'm going to click on our logo and I'm going to go to arrange and ungroup, and I'm going to get rid of this name that I previously used. Then I'm going to take the longest name, which is this one, and I'm going to put it in my name badge, and it could be a little bit bigger, so we're going to make it say 30 points. And that's pretty good. So all of them will fit. But here's the real secret of this email, or this video. I'm only doing 10 name badges, so it doesn't really, there's not enough effort involved in far as using something that'll put them in there. I'm going to Control G and group that logo together, and I'm going to bring it up. My indexing lines are in the center of the page. So I'm going to hit P on my actually Weber name. And it's a little bit low. So let's put it up just a hair. And now let's move our logo down just a hair. And evidently I don't have my logo grouped together. Let's do that again. Control G. And see, if we put it in the center of the page, we get that. So I'm going to cursor it up. And while I've still got it, I'm going to hit P and put our name in the center of the page. And my crosshairs are good. My name looks good. So then what you would do is go Control D and make a duplicate of that. Move it out of the way. Control G to group all that together. Then take that name and remember to change it to 30. So we're going to just delete that name. We're going to select all these and we're going to change all these to 30 points because the longest name fits, so all the names will fit. Then we'll just take Megan here and hit P and we're on our way. Control D and make a duplicate. I would group it together, Control G, take our name and delete it. Take this one, P, putting it in the center of the page, even though our logo is not in the center of the page. Control D, make a duplicate, and then always Control G, group it together. And then you just do that several more times, and you've got a pretty easy way to put a name and a name badge, and they'll all be the same. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.